Maritime law maintenance and cure. Let's get started. An offshore work related injury can be devastating, not just because of the injury itself, but also for your ability to continue to meet your financial obligations. Maintenance and cure laws help to ensure the injured party's medical and rehabilitation bills are paid, as well as basic day to day living expenses during the recuperation period. If you have been sidelined by a injury and are in need of a maritime injury lawyer, Houston has a top legal resource in Cobo's law firm. A Houston maritime injury lawyer from Cobo's Law understands maintenance and cure laws and what is required to put together a solid case for you in court. Rest assured, when you engage a Houston maritime injury lawyer from Cobo's Law firm, you are in good hands. How a Jones Act lawyer can help you. As any good Houston maritime injury lawyer knows, the Jones Act compensates injured maritime workers for the lost uh, earnings, medical expenses, and pain and suffering. The compensation in each of these categories, however, is not a simple matter to determine. How does one fairly determine future raises, promotions, and benefits? What future medical costs might arise from any injury? From an injury, how do you put a price on mental anguish? If you sustain a work related injury while working as a seaman in navigable waters, you need an advocate. You need the advice and representations of a personal injury lawyer who understands maritime law and the Jones Act in particular. When you are in need of a maritime injury lawyer, Houston is well served by the Cobo's law firm. Our experts know how to fairly determine and presents these unknowns in court. In order to get you the maximum compensation you deserve, contact our personal injury law firm in Houston, Texas today for a free case evaluation. When you need to hold people accountable, our maritime attorneys are ready to advocate for you. Houston Maritime Injury Lawyer Facts are the specific conditions that apply in maritime law. Does general maritime law include any basic provisions? What kind of accidents might maritime workers experience on oil rigs? Does maritime law cover pirate attacks? What is admiralty law? Is it the same as maritime law?